Right, iPhone 15 Pro Max case review discussion. This is the Otterbox Symmetry. Otterbox is a brand that's been around for a long time. I've had several models from them in the past. They're known as being kind of high quality, very durable. They have high protection on your phone, good drop height. For me, they've been known as bulky to some extent, depending on the model that you get. This one is not bad, pretty good actually. This is the Symmetry series. They saw a Commuter and a Defender and a few other ones. The Defender is the one that has high protection, multiple layers, but it's a brick. It's a brick that you're carrying around, trying to fit it in your pocket. I've had that in the past, and you're unlikely to destroy your phone with it, but it's a lot to carry and it's a lot to fit into a guy's or anyone's pocket. So I'm trying the Symmetry series. The Commuter series is kind of in the middle, I guess. I think there's another layer to that one, and it's a little more bulky but less bulky than Defender. So the Symmetry is a good compromise for me. It has they don't say how many feet, but they use like 3 times a mil-spec drop test amount. I don't remember what the mil-spec number was, but it has a pretty good thickness all the way around. It fits in really good. There's only one layer. It is MagSafe compatible. I will say that while it's very strong, I have another case that feels a little bit stronger with the magnets. I don't know if that has anything to do with the density of the case, but it fits fine. Not as strong as some other ones, and actually better even than another one I have, another case. Confused yet? Well, it's MagSafe compatible. I'll just leave it with that. What else can I tell you? There's no stand on the back. It's pop socket friendly. It fits on the buttons. It's level with the lenses. You can set it down flat and you're not going to scratch your lenses. One logo there, that's it. Open bottom. Some of the other Otterbox ones have flaps. Flaps where the speakers and charger is, like the Defender has it. I've had those. They're fine. They get in the way a little bit. Ultimately, if you're on the beach and you're around sand, that sand's going in those flaps regardless. So, sometimes I'll put my phone in a plastic bag if I'm really in those spots, but the flaps are not really going to help too much if you're at a beach location. And the buttons on the side they fit appropriately for the phone and the case. I'm not triggering them too easy. If you watched another video, I've had even another case that didn't fit, triggered the buttons all the time, pressed them down when they didn't need to be pressed. So I am happy with this one. I'm going to keep this case on. What would I change? The thing I would change is, while the sides are a little grippy, I like a little bit more of a gripped texture, a tacky feeling. The back, and Otterbox has often been like this, but the back is slick. It's kind of slick. So I like that sticky, tacky feeling to get a good grip on the phone. Other than that, I don't think I would change too much about it. I have seen some other cases that have a built-in kickstand, which it's nice to be able to prop it up, but that's okay. You can get a MagSafe device for this pretty easily. I'm going to be carrying a wallet, MagSafe wallet, on the back of this one. So if you want an extra level of protection on your phones, which I recommend because they're so expensive, I think this is a good one. Otterbox Symmetry for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. They of course make it for other models as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and check out my other sites.